Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. We're here back at Universal for an HHN construction update, and it's a little late this time. The sun is kind of setting. Kind of setting? Well, it is setting. We're back here to do another HHN construction update. And we're 19 days away from Horror Nights officially beginning. But let's get the video started. And I want to say here, I was here a little earlier doing a full guide video. Came back because it's nice and cooler outside. We do a construction update closer to nighttime. So, our first scare zone, 30 years, 30 fears. And I want to sit there and say this scare zone is most likely going to be complete at this point in time. I don't think they're going to add anything else to it. But hey, I could be wrong. Now the guide video will be out sometime this week as well. So there you guys have it. 30 years, 30 fears. Just about done and complete. Let's make our way over to the next scare zone of the park. See you guys over there. And before we even come close walking to our next scare zone, we can see already that the HHN Tribute Store is now done and complete. I want to take a guess. August 28th, we should see previews for this store soon. And September 1st, all guests should be allowed to walk inside of it. But we're now also our next scare zone. You're for Seek and Destroy, and I thought this scare zone was complete until I realized they added a TV board up here. Pretty cool to see. Awesome to see. The old Raptor pen where Velocicoaster was being built, and they had a new Raptor encounter. The truck right there. Just a lot of hidden stuff right now. You like the lighting up top. I feel like something will get added to right here. I don't really know what. We got that banner right there, and then here's the new one, or I think that's on Wonder Park. I think it's only the two. I don't know if there's a third one. So I was looking down these alleyways to see if I can see a third one, but I don't. Yeah, there's nothing down there that I can see. More covered up stuff. I can somewhat, I think, see a hedge is right there. I could be wrong. Wasn't there a cart right here? I thought there was a cart right here. Man, I really wanted that slice of pizza. Looks like he survived another Horror Nights. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I really do enjoy these late night vlogs for an HHN construction update. I really don't know what else they're gonna add to these areas. I really can't tell anybody because it seems like basically everything's already set up, which is pretty neat to see. So, 60D moving on fully. Entering our next scare zone, Crypttv, and yes, I will enjoy this scare zone a lot. If I had to pick the sleeper scare zone of the year, I want to say it's more going to be Survive or Die. Seek and Destroy, I think. Right here. Pretty cool to see. You got the Crypttv logo right there as well. Keep on walking. I'm going to farley out. See a lot more props has been added. And they added spiderwebs right over here. This particular prop as well from last time I was here. Pretty cool to see as well. On the wood. you got Sunny Family Cultures right over here. This is, oh, looks like they got lighting on the ground already. I don't know if this is supposed to be like this, but probably just testing the lights out real quick. Quick little preview of that. So I did just ignore basically all of this. It's the same as before, but we'll go over at Fear Factor real quick. Let's make our way over there real quick. I think that'd be awesome to see real quick. And I'm also going to guess that, well, I'm pretty sure I do know, scare actors are also in rehearsal. So I'm guessing now as well that they have them reacting right over here inside Halloween Nightmare Fuel. Guessing it's going to be a dance show? Just guessing. You can see all the lighting is on in there. Testing for HHN opening night. Nothing up here just yet, but you can see that they are doing pretty good in making sure everything's heading correctly. So I was technically in Springfield earlier, and yeah, nothing really new has been added over here. I'm sure there will be one more thing here this year, but as of right now, we just see absolutely nothing in the trees. Before I go too far, at Central Park, the water show is coming back, the lagoon show is coming back. I cannot wait to see what it looks like this year. Should be fantastic to watch. Grenland Woods Forest, I think is what it's called. I could totally be wrong, but they have added both sides now of the leather stuff. Now I did see this earlier today and it looks really cool. I do like these posts that are up here. I feel like more will be added. This is normally the first scare zone that gets done. It seems like it's going to be the last this year. Or it could be Eddie's Revenge, which we'll come up to next. But if we do walk up right here, we're going to stop, turn. I think that looks amazing. Pretty cool. I like the entrance to it and everything. So close yet so far. Soon Mel's dying. Soon. And now they're entering Eddie's Revenge. Look at all the stands now, which I think are the pretty much coolest of them all. We have the doorway to HHN. I had to guess the house. HHN 25. Oh, I forget the name of the house. I really do. That's just my guess. And if I remember, I would have. I don't remember it. Man, 55 right over here. Oh, this is the one that I'm looking forward to. I do hope to have, you know, like from former houses and scare zones out in Eddie's Revenge. I would love to see some more vampires out here. Looks like they are putting up more stuff just to go. I feel like there'll be more back behind scenes of Universal that will be kind of like hidden for HHN. I feel like we should see more stuff. Maybe something like right here. We'll have like a stage for Eddie, but time tells. Right here, I'm gonna guess this is Killer Clowns from Outer Space. So yeah, I would be looking forward to this, seeing Killer Clowns again. And then the most anticipated scare zone for me at HHN 27, but wasn't really like that. Here's one of those other stands. Invasion. Looks pretty cool. They've added more lighting structures right up here. So I think we're going to see signage come up soon as well up here. But I think that will basically be it for HHN updates for tonight. It was kind of cool to get back out here and take a look at the scare zones. But that will do for today's video. I will have the guide update sometime this week. More than less, probably tomorrow. I'll have this video up tonight and then get that video tomorrow. But I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.